to our decor day. It is home day on City Line, and you know the weather is getting a little bit chilly out there. We might be making a few changes in our decor to accommodate for the colder temperatures. Please welcome our guests today. We've got Kimberly Selden. Come on in here. Sharon Brack. Tamara Robbins Griffith. Hi, guys. How are you? And you know what? Tamara did not just have a burger for breakfast. There's a baby in there. There's a sweet baby in there. How far along are you, hun?
4.5 months, but it is at that transition stage where, depending what you wear, it looks like, boy, she had like heavy lunch today.
No, you're warming up for fall.
I am getting
That's
cozy.
right. But you see, I had your back. I know you're in that transition stage, so you almost need someone to say it for you.
Thank you, sister.
Because you can't walk around with a sandwich board saying pregnant, pregnant,
Yes,
pregnant, pregnant. You know, so you look great, and congratulations
Thank
to you for that.
Thank you.
So let's talk a little bit about getting into the cooler temperatures, because I'm not a huge fan of fall and winter, but the one thing I do like about it is in fashion I get to wear my jeans and turtlenecks and boots.
Yeah.
And then in decor I get to have blankies. Yeah. Right? Like really nice throws. So are there big things you do in the house to change?
Yeah, for sure. Put away the white wine and pull out the red wine. That's the first thing.
That's an important
And then
one.
layer. You just like you layer your body. You layer with throws. You layer. You know, often we'll do pillows where one side is a pattern and the other side is a solid. So we turn it around to show the pattern because now everybody's cozying up. And you do know you live in Canada, right? Because you said you don't like fall and winter, which is there's
more than half.
very little left over.
I know. It's the truth of the matter. When we get to the end of summer, I'm like, I can't wait till next summer.
Yes.
And then when we're in winter, I'm like, oh, how many days till summer? And then in spring, I'm like, oh, we're almost at summer.
Only 274 days to go.
I know. I don't know why my parents chose to move here. I mean, they were in Jamaica. It could have been warm all year round. But whatever, it's okay. Yeah. So how about you, Sharon?
I'm the same, actually. I don't do a whole lot, to be perfectly honest, but I change the front door wreath, and I get rid of my linens and bring up my faux fur for the sofa, and that's about it in my space. Transition a few cushions around because I've got my big collection, and that's warms everything up.
I'm happy to hear that as the paint guru, you don't go around changing the paint colors.
No, I do not do that. I might change the odd accent color or make sure my front door's painted before fall, but that's about it.
How about you, T?
So I do love to actually change my duvet cover. I have a great duvet. Actually, in the summer, I use a lighter quilt. Then I bring out the duvet, but I have a few duvet covers that I mix around. And as the weather gets colder, I go from my beautiful pattern on cotton to actually a gorgeous flannel duvet cover.
I hope
so
my husband's
cozy.
listening to this.
Yes.
I need to do that. He thinks I have way too many, but you've got 3.
No, I love that.
Because the covers don't take up a lot of space in the living room. It's folded. You have one duvet, right?
Well, a lot of people collect. Sorry, go ahead.
No, you first.
A lot of people collect cushions.
No,
okay, so listen to this. This is from Jennifer LeBreton, one of our viewers. She says, my mother-in-law changes her pillows to match the season. She has a lot of pillows either in the basement or the attic. If you line them all up, it's like shopping at HomeSense, she says. So don't worry about your duvets. It's okay.